Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to upload a PDF on Gumroad. All right, so you have two options right here. Just go ahead and log into your account at gumroad.com. Click on New Product at its top right, or go ahead over to Products right here in the left panel. And again, click on New Product. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, we are going to find ebook. Offer a book or comic in PDF, EPUB, and MOBI formats. Or you could also choose a digital product, as this one is any set of files to download or stream. So it's up to you. You got to give it a name, by the way. For example, a sample PDF upload or download. Now go ahead and go to the very bottom. Go ahead and add a price. Say, for example, $5. Now go ahead and click on Next, Customize right here. Once that's done, go ahead and add in your description, the cover, thumbnail, product info, and whatever details. But most importantly, to upload your specific PDF, just go ahead over to Content. Now go ahead and click on Upload Files. Right? Now go ahead and click on Computer Files. Now find the PDF that you wanted to download, for example, this book right here. Click on Open, and then just wait for it to upload. Right? Once that's done, click on Save Changes. Then go ahead and publish and continue. But before you hit on Publish and Continue, make sure that you've already set up your payout method. There you have it. That's how simple it is to upload a PDF on Gumroad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.